Jeff, you ready? Ready for this? Let's jump in. Next one?
So the next one. Maybe no one wants to come with the gringos.
Let's hope so.
The gringo available.
Okay. I'll be a bit loud. I'll stand like this and hope that nobody comes in. Should I stand here and block the path? Hey Jeff, you're blocking the path. Yeah. Do you want to come with Jeff?
Wow, the poor people who get into this with us. We've got hola, buenos
Hola.
dias. We're going to El Alto.
Meet Jeff. Jeffrey Gundlach.
Sí.
Hola. Mi amigo.
Ah, ¿qué se llama?
¿Qué se llama? Jeffrey.
Ah, Jeffrey.
Jeffrey Gundlach.
¿Cómo te llamas?
The bald one doesn't approve of
Whoa,
Jeffrey.
what's happening?
Don't worry, Jeff. I will protect you.
Crikey, we're off. That's the least of my worries is Jeff. Here we
I
go.
don't know how you could be so hateful of a dead animal.
Back to El Alto.
Pretending to be an animal lover, and then you're hating on Jeff all day, all night.
Jeff was in my bed yesterday. Hence
Yes.
I don't like Jeff.
Jeff needed company.
And Jeff didn't pay for the room. That means
He's dead.
I don't like Jeff.
Jesus. Okay,
What do you
we
reckon?
are on an adventure. You did this yesterday. This is new to me. I'm pretty excited up here. This is a hell of a view. It's been raining all morning, and we thought maybe we weren't going to be able to do this. But it's now 12 o'clock, which means that it is. What are we doing today?
You carry on your monologue. I'm not interrupting your monologue.
Why are you filming and butting into my monologue? I'm trying to enjoy the ride here with Jeff. Jesus.
We're going to El Alto Market because today is the big market day up in El Alto,
It
the most
is.
dangerous part. Hey, no talking, I'll do my
no,
intro.
I'm filming
Mr.
your
Golder.
intro.
So we're going to go up to the market. We're back in the gondola, whatever it's called. Wait, is it a gondola? Sky train. What are these things called?
It's not a sky train.
What's it called? Oh, half the introduction.
Vernacular.
It's a vernacular. No, it's not vernacular.
Cable car.
It's a cable car. Well done, guy who isn't even English, but teaching an Englishman how to speak English. We're in a cable car this morning. We're going up to El Alto Market, the biggest market in La Paz, and also hopefully the most dangerous. We'll see. I want to buy one of those bowler hats that women wear. So we're going to go and have a little look around, maybe meet some people.
Yeah, you do that. I'm gonna hang with Jeff.
The only guy that Harold has managed to find on the same level as him is Jeff, the llama. So I'm going to go and look for a bowler hat.
Burundi. Right, guys. Me and Jeff, we're getting up there. Bold is rambling on. He's talking about some love soap that he bought in the market. He's trying to hit on this woman. She's not having it. In fact, she's very offended, and so is Jeff. So we're trying to kind of, not encourage him.
He loves it.
What a view, though. This is crazy. Jokes aside. This the same one you took yesterday?
Yeah, exactly the same one. I mean, cry, it's crazy. I felt a lot more nervous yesterday. I don't know, but now I've done it. And people told me in my comment section it was built by Austrians. And I was like, whew, I can relax. If an Austrian built it, I mean, the Austrians did some great things in their past. So I'm thinking that, they can build a good,
Funicular.
no, it's not a funicular. It's a cable car.
A Play-Doh car?
Cable.
A cable car, yeah. Hey, I'm the one who told you that earlier.
Yeah,
You have it on film.
Not true.
You're stealing my words. Wow, look at the path.
Look how big it is. It just goes for miles all over the mountains and
Yeah.
everywhere. Just wherever you look is the city of La Paz.
It's unbelievable. What is the economy up here? How do people, what's the exports here? Any of you guys know? Let me know in the comment section. Well, we're getting up there.
I know the biggest export.
Oh, you do?
I know what it is.
Fancy that. A joke from the bald one. Ortiz presidente Bolivia dice no. I'm just reading there.
No más dictadura en Bolivia. No más.
No more dictatorship.
No más dictadura en Bolivia. Bolivia is.
How are you doing, Jeff? You've been this high up before?
I don't remember what it is. Bolivia is. Viva Bolivia. Viva Bolivia. See, I told you she liked the soap. See, she's laughing at my jokes and stuff, this girl.
She's laughing at Jeff, not you.
En libertad en Bolivia. ¿Verdad, señorita? ¿Verdad?
Chao, huevo.
Amigo.
Is this it?
Okay, vamos. Vamos,
Jeff, this is our station.
See? Okay.
Are we continuing?
We continue to another one.
All right. Come on, Jeff. Hola. Salida. No running. How could he just go without a pass? No pass? Wow. Interesting. You hanging in there? We're now at the mega market, and look at the bald one. He is like, oh, it's raining, I need a raincoat. So he forked out, how much was this?
$5 local dollars. 5 local Bolivianos.
We're on a beer hunt, we're on a cerveza hunt. And I don't know,
Muchas gracias.
now that you're wearing this, I'm not sure we can be seen together. So, hola, ¿de dónde cerveza? Cerveza, bebido. Cerveza. This way? Muchas gracias. The bald one, cerveza is this way.
Flirting with the ladies.
Hey, the ladies don't appreciate you here. Look at the state of you. I'm going ahead. The bald one is always more interested in content than cerveza. But I know that cerveza precedes great content. So let's focus on what's important right now, which is cerveza and not frying pans. Well, that is a beauty of a frying pan you have there, sir. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto? 20. 20. Hey, bald one, would you like a frying pan?
I'm okay for a frying pan.
Yeah?
I'm looking for cerveza. Like a
Well, no, I'm looking for
Hola, buenas
cerveza.
tardes.
I have just told my audience that you like to derail the cerveza hunt with conversations. Here, there might be some. Cerveza? No? This is tougher than my Desidaru hunt in the slums of Mumbai. I may have to give the camera a rest.
Okay.
And I'll see you at the first cerveza establishments we can locate. 100 meters back, I spoke to a man named Julio. Actually, no, a man who told me about a man named Julio. And Julio has cerveza. So once I find Julio, I find cerveza. Julio! It is Julio? Apparently not Julio. It's pretty funny though, he said YouTuber. Yes, they have vloggers up here too in the mountains of La Paz. Now I'm looking for Julio. Julio is this way. Here, Casa China. I think we found Julio. Let's see. It is Julio? No? Wow, this is tough. I'm giving up actually. We're looking for Julio.
We're looking for Julio.
Julio has cerveza.
Hey.
Every man I ask is...
Oh, do you speak English?
¿De dónde?
England.
Poco, casi nada, pero entiendo algo.
Do you know Julio?
¿Ah?
Julio. Mi amigo Julio.
Julio.
Julio. ¿De dónde Julio?
Julio Andrés. Julio
Andrés.
Julio Andrés. Oh, yo no sé
ver.
español, yo no sé. Okay, no problem.
Necesito
Ya.
mucho cerveza.
Oh.
Where can we find the donde cerveza?
Aquí. Abunda.
Abunda.
En las tiendas preguntas, ahí te venden cerveza. En las tiendas, en las esquinas hay tiendas.
This way.
Cualquier cerveza, paseña,
Any,
guari,
todo cerveza.
Todo cerveza.
Gracias.
Oh.
Muchas gracias. I think what she was trying to say was that Bald is full of shit and that Julio is this way. And if we find Julio, we will find cerveza.
But let's listen to some music.
Demonetized, good luck with that.
Conchillos.
Oh, how much? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
5.
5. Oh,
5 bolivianos.
mucho, expensivo.
No es 5.
I can only afford 1 bolivar. Oh man, the lens is full of water. Mucho. Reno. Where is this damn Julio? Julio! ¿De dónde cerveza? Julio! Nobody knows this Julio. Wow, that's a mighty fine tire, my friend. Good luck with that. Ah, this way. Oh, sí. Julio?
esto?
Julio, cerveza?
Cerveza, acá.
I think she just pointed us in the right direction of Julio.
Paseña, dile Wari. Aquí.
This way? Aquí?
Ahí en esa tienda.
Cerveza aquí? Oh, muchas gracias.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Gracias.
I think we found Julio. Julio,
Oh.
¿eres trabajo aquí? No?
¿Cerveza? Ah, ¿no es? Wow, that lady lied to us.
I think we just beer scammed. Cerveza scam of La Paz. There's no beer here.
¿A cerveza? ¿Dónde cerveza? ¿No es? ¿Por qué? La gente en Bolivia no... ¿Cerveza? A veces. Poquito. O desgraciadamente.
I smell cerveza. We could just be that burnt out car engine. ¿Vende cerveza aquí? ¿Vende cerveza aquí? Ahí? I think this woman says that they sell beer right here. So let's investigate. ¿Vende cerveza?
¿No cerveza? ¿Aquí? ¿Cerveza sí?
All right, false alarm.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Cerveza hunt continues. We're here in the rain, killing time, and I noticed some of these boys here laughing at the bald one. And he hasn't realized this yet, but let me show you why they're laughing. ¿El mismo? Same. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Look at this.
Es mi foto.
Is that not the same? Is that not him? It's the bald one. Wow, he's already famous here before he's uploaded even one video. Oh. Doesn't it look like you?
Yes, that's me basically. I should get a discount.
That's so funny.
Double support.
Finally, this was the longest cerveza hunt in the world.
Huari,
Wari.
la mejor,
Let me see. Wari
la mejor de Bolivia.
from La Paz.
La Paz.
Y para Jeff,
Esa está buena.
para Jeff, no?
Ahora le traigo un refresco.
Años, 3 años.
3 años.
He's too young. Yeah.
Está buena.
Walking in here was funny because everyone in this restaurant took a real liking to Jeff. But it's a bit of a problem bringing a minor, even though the minor is dead, into the bar. But I think they made an exception for me. So, and by the way, Bold has been disrespecting Jeff throughout the whole market journey. So, are you gonna apologize? No? Just gonna hate on the dead like that? The real Bold and Bankrupt behind the scenes.
Puta, Jeff Puta.
You hear this again?
Jeff Puta. Puta, Jeff. Oh, man. See what it is?
We just left the bar. We had a couple of beers, probably spent an hour in there. As usual, Bold wants to do his own monologues, doesn't want to feature in my videos. But okay, I can roll solo. We were in there for maybe an hour, had a couple of beers, and the temperature was actually fine as it was raining, but now it's dropped by at least 10 degrees. And I'm suffering. But you know who's suffering more than even me? Mi amigo, Jeff. So I'm gonna see if I can buy maybe a shirt for Jeff. you know, you don't want to. Hola. You don't want him to freeze to death. So let's see if I can find something his size. We're entering the market section. That's made for Jeff, I think. It's all second-hand, and I'm not gonna buy new things for Jeff. I'm not gonna. His shoes are kind of tangled up, so I'm gonna need something like this. Hola. Es mi amigo Jeff. Quiero comprar camisa para Jeff. Camisa pequeño. No tengo? Let me see. I reckon that these would make a good fit for Jeff. ¿Eso? ¿A tres? Okay. ¿13? Yeah. Here, no. Para Jeff. Yeah. Llama. ¿Te gusta? Llama? Hold on. Can you hold this for me? Like that. This way? This way.
Así, sí.
Sí. Let's see. Come on, Jeff, hang in there. Ah, perfecto. 13? Sí. Okay, Jeff. Now you can stop complaining. Ah, perfecto. Thank you so much. Do you have change for this? La Paz muy caliente.
No, frío.
Frío. I thought frio was Portuguese, but I guess frio is Spanish. Again, my brain is just a mess when it comes to these two languages. So I guess I was in a woman's clothing store here, and that's why she said that maybe I wouldn't be able to find something for Jeff. But how do you like your t-shirt back there? All good? I think Jeff approves. Jeff Gundlach. Oh, she was sitting here eating and drinking and...
Tía Sonia, cámbiame.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
3 bolivianos.
3 bolivianos? Only 3?
Sí.
Really? Like this?
Ahí está.
Oh my God! That's it? 3 bolivianos for a shirt. That is amazing. It's so cheap. Here is a tip for you. For being in my video. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Have a good day. Adios. Bye bye. Again, they are so confused when I overpay here, but I like to throw a little extra to the people that are in my videos. But that was the cheapest t-shirt I have ever seen. 3 bolivianos. It's Mr. Bolt is waiting up here. He's pretty good with the exchange rate. Hey Bolt, how much is 3 bolivianos? 3 bolivianos.
3 Bolivianos is $50.
Okay, so Jeff has a new t-shirt. How do you like it? Can you see it?
See a bit of a pink thing sticking out. Yep.
Yeah, for 3 bolivianos.
I think that's a good deal.
That's a hell of a
50
deal.
cents.
Yeah.
I like it. Fiddy.
Okay, no, that's kind of it. Jeff is happy, then I'm happy. So, you know.
Okay, is he warming up? What about a hat for Jeff?
Maybe we can find a hat.
To rain. Bloody
I don't know
hell.
how to say hat in Espanol, but
sombrero.
Let me ask this woman here. Excusa, ¿cómo se dice español? Oh, you don't want to be on film? Oh, little does she know that I'm the man who would probably pay 100 for that ice cream. But okay. It is true. Some people here are very camera shy, and I do believe it is some kind of indigenous belief that being on film is bad. So, hello there, white man. How's it going? He's shaking his head at me calling him a... Yeah. What happened to Bolt? Did he stumble off on his own again? I guess he did. Well, I'm gonna continue and find a hat for Jeff. Oh no, demonetization. Just as I lost Bold, of course it starts to hurl down, so it's more important than ever that we find a hat for Jeff. Maybe this woman's hat. One of these caps. I think they're too big though. Hola. Necesito un sombrero para mi amigo Jeff. Pequeño. No tengo. Aquí tengo. Pequeño. Es muy grande. Sí, sí. Jeff, muy pequeño. Hey, it's Jeff. Hello. All right. It's not easy to find something in Jeff's size. Here we have boxers that are his size. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? 10 Bolivian. I don't know what that is. Let's see. 10 Bolivian. 10. Jeff, I hope you're happy with this. Let's give him a red one. Okay. Hold on. Can you help me? But can you hold this for me like this? Hold it. Like that? Yes. Para Jeff. Si camisa es
¿Para qué se lleva esto así?
muy frío. Muy frío. Muy.
¿Se pone también eso?
Mi amigo. Es nombre Jeff.
Ah, Jeff.
Llama.
Llama, ¿no?
Ya.
¿Cuánto había costado?
¿Te gusta?
Sí, ¿cuánto cuesta por eso?
¿Cuánto cuesta? 200,000. 200. Expensive? Muy?
Te vas a cuidar aquí mucho también.
Yeah, too much maybe.
Sí, grave, ¿eh?
Yeah. Okay, muchas gracias. I think she just told me that Jeff was too expensive. Am I filming? It's been a while since I said that. And I believe she's right, but then again I bought Jeff in a tourist area. So be interesting to know though what locals here would pay for a llama carcass or fetus. Let me know in the comment section. As for finding Jeff a hat, I don't know. Maybe he should be content with a camisa and no hat. Hola, quiero comprar hat for Jeff. Hat. Tengo? Sombrero. Sombrero para Jeff.
Ay, más allá vas a conseguir.
Muy pequeño.
Ajá.
Tengo?
Más allá ahí.
This way.
Ajá.
Okay, gracias. Mi amigo necesita un sombrero. I'll try and remember that. Hold on, I had some message. Maybe that is the bald and the fiscally insolvent one. Okay, no, it's not. Mi amigo necesito un sombrero. Hola, ¿cuánto cuesta ti sombrero? Sombrero, ¿cuánto cuesta? Oh, I don't know. If it's my accent, if it's my gringoness, or my abrupt, unruly, uncouth approaches. But acquiring a sombrero for Jeff is proving even harder than the bear hunt for me and Bold. Wish I had a waterproof camera right now. Just as I turned off the camera and started wiping off the lens, I saw this hat shop right here. Let's see what they have. Hola, necesito un sombrero muy pequeño para mi amigo Jeff. Muy pequeño. ¿Tengo? Muy frío. Jeff, necesito sombrero pequeño.
Allá, búscate allá. Allá.
Allá, oh, muy grande, muy grande. Pequeño. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
20.
20?
Allá hay 10.
Okay, I'll go and see. She says this one is 10 over here. Hola,
¿Cuál quiere?
¿Eres trabajo aquí? Sí. Necesito un sombrero para Jeff. Para Jeff, pequeño. While she's looking. Wow! Perfecto. ¿Cuánto cuesta? 10. 10. Oh, can you put it on Jeff? Yes, put it on Jeff. Let's see. Wow! How's it going? Perfecto. 10. All right, let's go and pay the ladies over there. I'll pay there. Yeah? Pagar? Okay, okay. Come on, Jeff, hang in there. Okay. All right. Perfecto. Do you have change for 100? Rico? Rico? Bonito. Comer aquí.
Comer allá y comer.
Allá hay. Maybe pig.
Sí.
Let's see.
90.
90. Muchas gracias. Jeff is very happy.
Ya.
Bye bye. Adios. Wow. That was just perfect. Adios. Thank you. Imagine he's got a boxer. Hold on, let me clean the lens. Where did I put this? Now I have everything for Jeff. Now we can see if we can run into the boulder. Hello, hola. Hey, it's mi amigo Jeff. You want to say hello?
Mira, bonito.
Bonito? Adios. I think Jeff is a big hit with the ladies, kind of like walking around with a puppy downtown Oslo or London. It's a muff magnet. All right, let's meet up with the bald one. He's bound to be up to some dodgy stuff. Yeah. Oh wow, how much are these? Para shave. ¿Cómo se dice español?
Afeitador.
Okay.
Te sale 2 for 5.
Okay, 2 for 5,
2
please.
for 5.
I need a shave. There's a 20. Gracias. Have you seen a tall, bald man?
What?
Mi amigo. Tall, muy grande.
No.
No hair? No. I don't think he has seen the bald one.
It was 10.
Thank you.
White. 5.
Thank you.
Listo. Thank you.
Hey, do you like Jeff?
Listo. Está good.
Mi amigo.
Vicuña. Llamita.
Yes.
Good. Listo.
Have a good day. Good luck. Bye-bye. Now, I suspect that if the bald one had ventured past here, somebody would have seen him. Whoops. What is this? It's Maltes. A minefield of nail polish. Dangerous traversing these narrow alleys of the Alto Market. Bald and bankrupt, where art thou? Whoa. Hold on, I'm gonna look up on Google Translate how to say, have you seen a bald man? Okay, I've just looked up how to say something very funny now in Spanish. Hola, ¿has visto a un hombre calvo sin dinero aquí? Yeah? No? Okay, gracias. Apparently that means, have you seen a bald man with no money around here? Let's try that again with someone else. Maybe we get a better response. Wow, the prices in this market are insane. Maybe, hola, hola. ¿Has visto a un hombre calvo sin dinero aquí?
No.
No? No bald man? No? Okay. Okay, she also has not seen a bald man with no money around here. You'd think that wouldn't be too hard to find him. He's 2 meters tall and yeah, bolder than everyone else and also broker than everyone else. Whoa. You have to give the camera a rest. Conditions are deteriorating. Hola, hola. ¿Has visto a un hombre calvo sin dinero aquí?
No he visto nadie.
No? No?
No.
All right. Muchas gracias. Not easy finding a bald man in El Alto. I'm standing here waiting for bald and they're... Mi nombre. Mi amigo. Nombre Jeff. He's very friendly, but he's very cold. Muy frío. Frío. You're right, Jeff? They seem a bit scared about Jeff. Maybe because he's dead. This nice man here has told me that Jeff might cause a problem. So I have to hide Jeff. I have to hide him under my jacket. Yeah? So I'm gonna put him in the plastic bag again. He says there may be an issue walking around with the llama. Something about, I don't know. Let's see if I have the plastic bag in here. You see, camisa. Camisa para Jeff. Yeah.
Mucho frío, ¿no?
Muito frío. That's why I have at least I have the plastic bag here. Like this.
Okay, sí, mejor.
Sorry, Jeff. Very sorry.
Ahora no problema.
Bye. Okay.
Sí, ahora
Oh wow. I'm not sure about the legality of actually having a llama carcass. That's what he told me. So, thank you.
Okay.
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Well. Look what the cat just dragged in. What is this?
Poncho. Homemade improvise.
How much?
Freezing. 30.
30? How do you like Jeff's new hat?
Oh, Jeff looks cool.
Yeah?
Hello, Jeff. Tough guy. Wow. Yeah.
He's a big hit with the locals.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure. Oh man. Right.
Okay, we decided to cut our losses. It's raining. The bold and the bankrupt one is mighty
Not in a good mood.
frio.
Yeah. I'm
So we're
freezing
going
cold.
back down here and Jeff and I are admiring the mighty view.
Yes.
So I guess this is it for whatever kind of video this is.
I don't know about that one.
It's gonna be well, it was fun to make. I'm not so sure it's gonna be fun to watch, but anyway, I'm signing off. Burundi.
Man, that was a bit of a disaster. It was freezing cold up there in El Alto. It was raining.
We finish this
I mean,
video.
what a nightmare.
First take
I
is
bought
gonna be
hats
7.
that I wanted to buy. But
Yep, after the first take, it's gonna be 7 more.
because you spoke to me.
Alright, I'll give him peace.
Oh man, what a disaster of a day that was. Bloody hell. It's pouring with rain up there. I was freezing cold. I want to go to bed. I've got the sniffles.
Sniffles.
I
Who
bought
says
a hat
that?
though. I bought a hat. So I've got my bowler hat. I'll be rocking that at some point in the future, in a future video. But for now, I just want to go out to my hotel, get under the warm blankets, and chill the hell out because I feel rough as guts. But look at that bath. Wow, check it out over there. How amazing!
What a
it is.
crazy city.
Crikey. Do you like the way I say La Paz, by the way? I think most tourists would say
Signing
La
off.
Paz, but I say La Paz, like a...
What does it look like inside an elevator shaft? Well, they're fixing the lift here. Hola. How's it going in there? What's wrong? Okay, close it. Let him work in peace.